Catwalk in mid.
One hostile. Oh yeah. Nice. Damn. Wonder why the loss.
Not even gonna at all. Go for the defuse. There's one left.
Why you run?
Unfucking believable.
Ain't no reason why y'all losing.
Yeah, because of the loud music.
Damn.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? That's a fucking nerd. It's alright.
That is. That's some high quality H2O.
I mean, the music sounds really clear though.
You can hear the music in my background?
Oh shit. No, I'm talking about the enemy teams, not you, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. What am I doing? I'm fucking... I'm broken. What?
Sometimes it is.
Oh, it's time to get off. That's what it is.
You got it.
Get off and go smoke.
No sleep pills! Yeah, fuck you then. You know what? You gonna talk shit? I'm gonna fucking...
Who's talking shit?
You guys were, man. I'm just fucking responding.
Responding to what?
Who around the world you want the clock?
Remember my first drug habit.
Email me.
Going through a phase right now. Parents just split up. His cousin don't love him. Troy the band bum. Are you banning me? Yo, how?
Nah.
Guy, bro. There's
Yeah, I
no
screamed
way.
that like, I'm on the phone.
He's coming up the stairs. Oh, teammate.
We. Oh my lord. I'm gonna do everything my fucking self. Better now reach. Saying no on a knee. Wait, you're dead? You're fucking next, buddy. Trash for real. Unreal.
music type's kind of trash, but it's okay. It's alright. His music trash. His music's trash. I don't know what year he thinks he's from, but okay. Ooh.
Middle catwalk. Middle catwalk.
Got him.
Shit.
I couldn't get out of that room. Damn, so there's one over by the buses. There was two. I got one of them. Someone's by the buses.
How many left?
There is 3.
Damn.
Alright, one's to your right. Yeah, he's coming up. Pop. Now there's 2 left. You gotta get that bomb. Oh. Up there. Nice! It was a 1v1 now, son.
Son!
Dude, shit, bro.
So, I mean, I'm not calling you, like, you know, you got this, man. You got this.
I hope. Alright, I ain't got no time. Oh my god, I just saw him.
Hey. I got 2 bands.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, that motherfucker
Go
is
buy
right.
yourself some new
We about to put him to sleep.
Hey,
Chill, man.
Shut up, man.
Chill, man.
Get
You're lucky, man. You know what?
Fucking kid's music is trash.
You know what?
How
Fuck
the
him.
fuck do you even
Not you.
hear the game when you got music like that?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I mean, my brother-in-law was playing music from the other room. I kind of had my doors that shit, so that's not overpowering my mic, but I turned my threshold off.
Yeah, how did I die? Like, out of all of that? What the fuck?
No, what? Come on. He's over by the bull somewhere. Oh,
What
never
the
mind. I lied to you.
fuck?
I'm sorry. He was rolling.
It's okay.
He's in their spawn building. Flash just broke above you. I mean, not above you. He's by the bus.
Alright, Barry. You got it, Barry.
He's probably back in the bus. All where that
Right.
bomb is planted.
Right on the bus. Oh, no. He's alive. Oh, yeah?
He's to your right. He's to your right. What the fuck?
Maybe the next right. Left,
No,
left.
to your left.
No. You turned too far.
you're on the
Behind
bus.
you. Behind you. That's the call. I just said behind you.
Oopsie.
Got
Got him.
Now don't piss me off now.
Poppin', show stopping. We got Batty Sam
Cause
here.
whenever saying
Final kill.
KSA 370 pissed off, that's gonna lose automatic.
Who are you? You should be
Stone
out.
Six.
You better find me right now. You better find me right now, girl.
Get near your bitch, boy, she.
You better find
Yeah,
me.
roll it up then.
I always there.
Tell that bitch
still
go
weed
make
in the
me
grinder,
a
I
fucking
think.
sandwich.
A little bit at least.
What?
Nah.
Quantum.
I'm not. I can't disrespect her. All right. She's clean.
Oh, hell no.
You fucking bitch.
That's why you don't push the peak. I mean?
Fucking Christ.
No, you ain't got no Christ. Don't say that to Christ. What the fuck? Why we're pushing, man? That nigga always come right. There are 5 left. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo guys, there's only 4 of those motherfuckers, bro.
And we're still rocking it. What's up,
Do you understand? It's okay, bro. Still gonna lose. Still gonna lose.
Got it. Yeah, you about to lose right here.
Still gonna be losing.
You bet the lead, mate.
Turn 5-2, you will lose.
No, dude, stop. Stop. I said later, alright? Don't keep asking. Said later. See you later.
Hey, mommy. Go bring mommy. Let mommy come.
Come on, log in, bro. We gotta get this motherfucker.
Yeah, that's right. No, come on now. Come on, don't die. 3 left. They're gonna hide. You don't have to push. We're defending. We're defending, motherfucker. Wake up.
Hey, Marcus. Oh
yeah,
my god.
2 left. 2 left, bro. We ain't talking about
teammate, he's
5,
getting the fuck out of me.
6. There's
The other
only
guy's
about
gonna
2.
be by the buses.
Alright, that's cool.
Catwalk, catwalk.
Got him.
Nice.
1
That's
left.
bomb right there.
Look at
my
it.
lord.
What did we say? What did we say? You guys
Oh
gonna
my
lose.
god.
You guys
Okay,
gonna
okay.
lose.
Here in the 8th, what will
Don't be
Black Ops do
You
here?
guys gonna
We got Frank
lose.
Castle with a triple kill
Just like
that
you
round.
left your
Unbelievable.
mama.
You guys gonna lose, pussy clapper.
Baby,
So,
you
when
know
you
that
said
I
he's
miss
right
you.
there,
I
I
wanna
knew
get
he was
with
right
you.
there.
Come on, Frank
You
Castle,
clearly
get
have
in
no
my hands.
friends,
Miss
bud.
you. Miss
Yo,
you.
pussy
Come on,
clapper
baby.
gonna lose.
Cuzzo's stuck in the club life, man. Never left high school.
Don't push. We're defending, motherfuckers. Chill, chill.
No, we're planting.
Yeah.
Yeah, what the fuck are you
So,
talking about?
anyways, chill, bro. I'm your team
Mid,
captain,
mid,
nigga.
mid, under catwalk, under catwalk.
Got him.
Good shit.
Fuck that guy, man. That kid's
3
annoying.
left.
Yeah, I got 2 left.
20
It's
left.
5v2.
I ain't even gonna play. You guys got it.
This nigga's annoying as
I'm the
fuck.
top killer, bro. I don't have to play. You guys got it. I don't need no more kills, bro. Matter of fact, I don't need no more kills. You better not give me that last kills, bro. You better not give me that last kill.
He's in their spawn, man.
You better not give me
Bomb
that.
doesn't
Alright,
look in the
that's
box. What the fuck?
Losers, shut the fuck up. Losers, losers, talking shit and still lost, talking shit and still lost with the fat bitch on their squad. Oh my god.
Snickers for that guy. He's not himself when he's hungry.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
Bro, that
Chad.
shit was fucking
I'm sorry,
hilarious.
YouTube. I'm sorry, YouTube, for saying
And the
that.
fat bitch on the other team. Yo, that was crazy. Wait, they said you're cheating?
Ooh, who the fuck cheating?
Who's cheating?
I'm a
That's why I hope
PS4
you just
player.
let me
I ain't got shit to play, bro.
I took one of those for you guys. They have an Archangel.
Yeah.
Fake has an Archangel. I took one of them.
One on top, one on top. Watch out, one on top.
He's in the back spawn.
How many left?
Last
I just got
one.
a hit marker on him. Really?
Alright.
Yeah.
Just
That's
give
crazy.
me a melee.
He's coming up those stairs.
You seen that
Watch
shit,
out,
right?
or... Yeah, I watched it. Yeah.
Get the fuck down, pussy clapper. Get your
And
ass
looks like
down.
Crimson will be out of here today.
Get your raggedy wreck ass. Get your raggedy wreck ass down.
MKSA 370 for the final kill here in the 10th. I gotta say it. Oh my god. I got 14 kills. What the fuck can I do? Play by myself all day.
Oh my god. He mad. He mad. He trying to sing. He tried to sing and say I'm playing by myself. He funny. He is funny. Three zero. Man, I took one of the 3-0. Yes! 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 Yes, my yes!
The balls leave.
That's the same people? That's the same people I just beat?
Back out.
Fake
Oh, we got
off.
the same people. Unfucking real.
Fake
Looking
off.
good. Lay down.
Fake
This one was a trap
off.
house. Yeah.
You suck, fake off.
Maybe send the boys to clean you out.
They scared to come out.
Bad bitch ride with me. Dope dealer on an E-way.
This bitch is scared to come outside. They just wanna master sit and stay on their own.
I'm down to shit. I'm rich as a bitch.
Well, I'm with you now. I'm your teammate. Hell no. I'm gonna carry you and your stupid ass music.
Put you in the dirt. We got two Leonardos here today, folks.
I'm Donatello. I'm here to come outside. Coming outside right now. Come on, B.
I'ma carry everybody in this party, bro.
Planning on B-boys.
Oh shit, somebody's gonna carry me.
Came outside. I'm planning on B-boys.
Yeah, watch out for that fucking turtle.
Fuck, that guy fucking carrying me
Shut
right
your
now.
mouth, asshole.
Hey, just mute him. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Shut your mouth,
AFK?
asshole.
Who's the asshole? You lose, loser. Loser.
You a bitch.
Poke him with your stick.
You a sucker.
Hit him with the blick.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat Chet Ben. I gotta chill out.
Where we going?
I don't know where the fuck you going, cause I'm going somewhere.
Come on, A. Oh, on the stairs, on the stairs, on the stairs.
Last one, that's small. You ran to a little cabin.
Stay inside. Don't go outside. Uh-oh. They're fighting back in there. Oh!
Oh, he in the corner.
Yeah, he's being a bitch. Yeah, he's in there. In the corner.
No, he's not. He left out. He left out. He went towards B.
And you in B?
He ran out towards B. But he's hiding somewhere in a corner. He's afraid right now.
Yeah, he's real scared.
Oh!
Donatello scared the shit out of me. Where's this bitch hiding?
Back in that damn.
Oh, there,
right there, right there, right there.
Oh, what?
Yeah! Look at his goofy ass.
They better stay inside, dude. They're scared.
What did I say? I will hone this party. I will hone this Carby. I will hone this shit.
Oh, you said that.
Man, I'm a YouTuber. I've been doing this shit.
Don't lie. That's how I know you.
I know I've been doing this shit a long time ago.
Grandpa and the angel going up the stairs.
Oh! The angel did! Herbie!
Oh shit. Ah! He's hiding on the kitchen.
Take your time, take your time.
Ooh, there's one on top of the garage.
Take your time, bro. There's all of them. Nobody died yet. There's only 2 left. Oh shit. Oh, nice. 3 left. Oh, fuck. 1v4.
We got sniped.
No more 3.
Top of that damn
1v4.
garage. He's still hiding in the top of the garage, camped out.
I mean, this is 2-0. They gotta hide. You know, they're really eager to get a 1 kill. Or a 1 win.
One's gonna come straight out of that garage.
Man, everybody mute Fake All, cause I mute him and his mic is way too loud. Right there. Oh. You are a good man. 2 versus 1. Oh, right there on the right. He's on it. He's on it. Yo, I told you, he's on it. I can hear it. I can hear it. I fixed my audio, bro.
Straight trash.
What?
Trash.
That's your first Christmas tree, bro. You better hurry up and happy about it. That's your first Christmas tree, bro. Chill.
He's got some Chinese hacker name, dude.
Yeah, I know why his name is Chinese, bro. I'm American name, bro. You can see it. FSM, bro. KSM.
No, that other guy. The bad guy.
Nah, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
They're in there, watch out. Hey, 412, he killed us right behind you.
Hey!
In the courtyard.
No way, bro. 2 left, 2 left. You can do it. That's only 2.
There's one coming around the corner.
Behind you, bro.
Whoa.
Oh, you gotta fix your audio, bro. I swear to you. I can hear him from behind. Taking all that stupid ass footsteps.
You gotta turn the music up because you know that y'all gonna lose.
No, we turn it. We mute him.
Over there.
We mute him.
Shut your bitch ass up. You don't even know what to say.
Chill out, old nigga. Why you mad? Old nigga.
You feel me? Bitch ass dude. You a bitch ass dude.
Old nigga just mad, bro. Damn. Chill the fuck out. Your time has been disappeared. This time for a 20-some-year-old, you know? Time, bro. You ain't no time for a 40-some-year-old ass motherfucker. Oh! Oh no.
It's not the stairs. He's on the sandbags behind the garage.
You got it. 4 left. Oh damn. You know what? I'm a camp. I ain't going nowhere, bro. I'm a camp. Kill 2 motherfuckers.
Well, we gotta blow up the bomb. So they are camping. No.
Emmertanuan is yeah, forget. 그냥 아쉽게 매치. 가셔게 있으신 인바이디언 곰델. Mefruk kuya tunik kama. Alright, let me join you. Wala invite Malen join you got pile gun we. And come Una. Come with mommy. Cross. Come. Mommy come back. Come. Shh. Come, mommy come back. Dapat join ni om din. Tate mo din. Invite. Ngap ilan pa si dalo pailif kay nga kikula Praski. Dai sang. O mama kay se kushai pa. Invite mital. Kay se kin. Polo Casey. Mga metal America, Alaska. Mga di mga metal America, Alaska. Mga metal nag-ride. Dagot isang wash Alaska yun. Hey, lift out of bed. Mexico, Langan invited, make a party. Okay. Hey Vero, come, don't cry. I invited. Barn. We've got go away and then it's with a lot. Something gets store. Ik found the customer service. Hey, I tried to play a game and this shit keep blacking out, bro. Yeah, what the fuck? You say it's unlimited data, right? I'm there over. I cannot paddle down like a Torgas Kazi. How the fuck I pay all this shit for? The guy. Nice bit pushy. Who found the tire the way push.
Loud and clear, loud and clear.
Sorry. Whew. Siya, tigil lang tangal yan. Kaya na checks. Lasya yan. Bayot nga, sorry. Yeah.
Yay, no more school again. No, then they got you.
Hindi lang ayaw na yun na. Hindi nga naging cash sa scooter sa go.
No, don't take it out. Use it.
It's so hot. It's so hot.
Oh, dala sila yan. Ay, ayaw nga. No, ayaw. Ayaw na room 10. Hey, how the fuck this guy? Oh, yo, bro, this stupid game, bro.
Daddy, can I use your phone?
Yeah, you can use my phone.
Daddy, it's me turning my combo. Miss Dutton didn't give me. And I
Okay, wait,
forgot to
Teddy
get it.
blind. Okay, wait, Teddy blind.
You can drop. On the second floor.
Yes, walan.
Daddy, you're trying to get my phone?
Wait, I'm playing.
Guys are pro.
No. Warm up. Hey, late. Ay, toxic malugat wing. Care cold in Pacific. Got gone on me. Sure. Well, that's a boy. Gosh, shit. I'm gonna feel, yeah, girl. Some more. We battery is larger. Also. Ya also bangan, di mo piluk bangan. Apa nama India nangar ta DoorDash. Kan ma India nangar panangan so Legit على طول فوقوك انفقوا. They're about cashiering. For 4 year Christmas 20 bang gaga eh? Yeah, 4 years. Every 4 years. Sana good. I miss my gasler. Not off. Maganda Ashley. I'm 2020 pa masa flash. My 2024 out in 2020 now. 24, so that's last year, right? Yeah, that's last year. So you have to wait till 2029 and then there's another one. Where? Yeah, Pacific drum rum going on about that long. Yeah, you mute me. Lodi, Lodi. Right. Yeah, yeah. People on the buy station checks right now. One down. One down. Oh, somebody sniped me. It's on top. Somewhere around there. Copy that. Kaya nga ba yun nga. Eh, wait pa taga to, gang. Copy that. One dead. Yep. Ayun, nilya. Kaya ako sa nang-kills yep. Na-shot ngayon. That's what we call Kosraean kill, baby. Copy that. Okay, copy. Copy nga pa yan na lang. Teka to, sorry Froggy. Anda kaşkı kagat kedi. Anda balaga. Hey. Oya bella yoga kaşkı. Man, you tripping, bro. Đang nằm mẹ có ra đi cha. Thì là biết cái chuyện gì kìa. Magpay lang juta nga wulay kaya nga yan yayak. Kiyom juta nga wulay gum. Hem dusha gan. Left foot pe. Eso lanche. Esta se mucha flagena. Oh no, they're not redeployment again. Hey, I'm coming back to the same spot. Hey, pause na po yung ngan. Pop top natin ngan. Hey, mo crit natin na. wala niya siya ka eh. I'm nga lagi guys yung... We got it. Oh no. Oh, that's a nice move. Can you kill him? Oh no. I'm going to revive you. Oh shit, that's a wrong die. Yeah, what the fuck? Mitch bang eh. Ah. It's okay, man. Wing at the fall. Good try, school. Invest way. Imagine that you get snow up here and you're not going to ligo. Habi nga nga naligo ay uli. Kaya kan patle magtin na pel na yun. O yung tayo yan. Ja, was ist noch Alaska, man? Muss ich nicht gegen die Miese gehen? I know you guys niggas die on those shit, bro. Chill out. Motherfuckers so gold, nigga, die on that shit. Yeah, Chet, what do you think about that? In Alaska, a nigga be dying because of the cold. Yeah, I cannot. No, bro. You're just a random ass fucking weather. That fucking weather's fucking up people, bro. Hey, we're negative. We go all the way below 20, but it's just for a couple months. Like we're negative 20 and shit, like negative 15. That shit is hardcore, bro. Like. Ja, du ne kaya na game session. Wala ni ki. Karak pa yung Allah. Macam ba langan? Lang na ka station ngan. Yes. Ooh. Nice skill, nice skill. Cái chưa chạy rụng rồi. Kiến lại kẹp thì nó. I got him, I got him. Oh, that motherfucker's. Hey, let me watch this that for sure. Yeah, one of them is so fast. At kan siya na unilya. Katoy nilya na. Nabayag pala siya. Exul mo. Exul side. Down there, bro. Take our advantage. Tungay ti unildala. Madi ba nagkipay station yan? One down, one dead. Yes, a line kill Loki. Yes. No, you saw me. You can hear me the whole time. Oh, everybody got one kill. That's a good thing. This guy fucking around. Hey. Where down to go, yeah. Send it. One here. La låvegaska må I låvegaska tunigaka. Yeah, they're in control right now. You're right. No, I ain't got no kills. No, I got one kill. No, I got one kill. I got it. I thought I ain't. Our striker level. Campers. Loadout vandalje. Daarvoor doe je actie maar control. Hier is je jeetje. Nou, kan je niet. Oh, I killed one. Tanga ya da falha na gebel dal mo yun. Oh, I guess over there. Damn, do I was hiding over here on the loadout. So lanky. What you yell? Yeah, you better dead, nigga. Yo, Neric, yellow. I'm free, I just kill him. Oh no, there's a new guy. He's in the area, watch out. It's right here. It's again. This guy out in the room. Checks. Behind checks. I think it by station, no? Okay, Sim, yeah, I got tired guys to get like this guy. Wait palangan. Matolo. Siya wala. Shakya, Casey. Via, oh. Lain ko. Damn. Hey. Solid. Not too good to beer up. I ain't gonna go fishing, you know. There. That's kind. Where? Hey, come, Chantal, I got you. Come see. Come.
I'm sorry.
Another one. You don't like it? You like? Okay. You like this? I go buy it at the store.
I broke it.
I love you. Digital. Well, yeah. No. He's Bangla. Sorry, gigiyem.
No, for real, pig like this. Where's Chad? Where's Jack? What happened to Jack? Get him back.
Hey. Central Lao. Siya. Check it, checks. Schedule. Ontari. Nie tak sobie macie we trios. To mnie stronghold.
That's a lot of teams down there.
Yeah. Let's try. After this we go play trios.
Okay.
Yeah. No, it's only 3 of us. Checks left. What the hell, bro? These trios, you fucking with my brain, bro. Main brain in the main. Where the fuck is this guy? I keep hearing him, but I cannot even find nobody. Like, this shit is... Yes! Oh wow, that's embarrassing so bad. Oh, pick me up, please. Oh, fuck. Fuck it. No. Another one coming in. I'm getting fucked. What the fuck you mean get flying, bro? You ain't no butterfly, bro. You trying to get flying. Hey, bro, he chirping, bro. Hey, somebody's here. Oh no, that's our guy. Alright, come on, y'all. I'm in person, by the way. Yeah. I'm in the middle, like mid. Two two 6922. And where's our loadout? Always far away. It's just buy one. Just buy one, bro. Fuck that free one. Buy one right now. Why you cannot see it on your map, bro? You gotta fix your graphic. What? No, you gotta fix it. Cause I used to have that. I used to have that, and then I fixed it. You gotta zoom your shading in. That's all it is. No, we good. We find ammo. Yep. Somebody's shooting bad. Oh, the bounty is coming up, y'all. You trying to move up, y'all? Oh, it's right there next to you, bro. Oh, that's fucked up. It's okay.
Fuck.
Who's the party leader? Oh, it's Golden Pacific.
Oh, I'm the leader now?
Yeah. What's up, Atari? Join us. Leave the party and join us. Alright. Hey, wait, I got a friend. Yeah. There you go, Atari. Skeet. Alright, start it. Golden, that's you, right? Golden's still here? Yeah, we're in a party chat. No. We're watching. I left. Golden. Yo, Golden. You can start it. He's here. I'm gonna invite him. He's a little kid.
Oh.
He's gonna help us out. Whoa, bro. Chill out with my little friend, bro. Yep. Yep, that's my friend right there. Watch, he's gonna have more kills than you. Watch, I promise you this. You gonna see this. Ah! What? Yeah. Come on now, pretty good. No. KSA King is the #1 in our squad. We got like 30 some kills every match. Yeah, come on, come on, let me post another W on my YouTube channel, y'all. Come on, man. Let me post another clip. Let me post another clip. I got a lot of wins today, but I still want more. Hell yeah, bro. That's some good shit too. I luckily, yeah. Yeah, I was like, fuck yeah. I was high as fuck that time.
I'm gonna report you. I think you're cheating.
Whoa. Yeah, that's some good shit, bro. Yo, did TikTok really come back to America? Yeah?
What's TikTok?
Yeah, it gives me money already.
What's
Already
TikTok?
gives me money. TikTok. It's a content. It's like videos, interesting videos, like short videos. But it's just like you can make money out of it or find friends, followers, all that.
That is kind of fun.
I love TikTok. It gives you like daily videos, like it just happened right now and it's went viral and everybody watch it. That's what I like about TikTok. Like something can happen today right now in this time and we know about it. Alright, we follow you 0152 Sarchin Hatar Terry. We are following you. What the fuck? What's that supposed to mean? You gotta lay down there. Yeah, you gotta lay down, bro. Hell no. This guy said he's gonna lay down. No, he lies. He's gonna have like 50 kills or something. What the? I do that, true. True. Oh. He down. I snipe him. You thought I'm not doing that shit, bro? You crazy. I do that shit. Yo, you thought he's gonna boosh, bro? I just sniped his ass. I don't know who the fuck you think he was. Oh, one guy on top. Let me check. No, he's a lie. Maybe one of you. Or maybe on... over here somewhere? Oh, he's right there, bro. That's a tire. No, I lie. Hey, let's go Stronghold and buy a Lodi over there, please. Come over here, y'all. Come over, all y'all. Stronghold, stronghold. Oh, yo, come and drop your money. Yeah. I got some people though. Oh shit. No, there's more coming in. Oh, they dropped Lodi. Oh. Alright, fire Lodi. Alright, you guys fire Lodi, y'all. Yeah, take your time. If they shot, you run, hide. You know. Where's the Lodi? Drop money. Everybody can buy a Lodi already. Damn. You trying to buy an airplane or something, bro? You trying to buy an airplane? Well, let me have all that money then. Alright, give me the money, please. We got enough already. Yeah, you give it to me already. Green. Sorry, give. Give me money, money. Oh, you got it. So, too, you got it. Where's the... Oh, you drop it? Yeah. Alright, copy that. Got an ammo box. Alright, we got people on the buy station coming in. Let's go to the buy station on the left side. On me, on me. Yeah, I need that kill, nigga. Hey, people in front, yeah. Yeah! The funky, yeah. Fucking the whole damn squad, bro. What the fuck? Oh, I should have go behind. Oh, fuck. Oh, watch out. He saw you, bro. Baby, come back. You know you on the right track. Come on, girl. You can't. Oh shit! Why the fuck you choose to shoot at me first, bro? Pacific is over there. You could just shoot me first, bro. Pacific, he kill you too? Wow. He kill me and kill you. Terry, bro, focus on your shot. Terry, hey, ¿qué ¿Cómo que no la? Watch out.
Watch out for the Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, he's gonna die right now, bro. I know it, he's gonna die already. On that time, when Ninja Turtle pull up, he's a dead man. GG all the way. Yeah. What the fuck, bro? I'm sucked, bro. I slide and shoot, and every bullet miss.
No way.
Oh shit. Alright, y'all. We gotta go on a different mod. It's okay, guys. Don't cry. It's okay. Stop. You getting smacked the fuck up. Hey, what the fuck? Where are you guys? Oh, I'm not the party leader and I left. What the fuck? Yo, 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 yo! Yo, bro. Chill, man.
Okay.
Talking about see you later and shit. Man, fuck them Ninja Turtle. I'm tired of tying on them, bro. Stupid ass. This motherfucker come behind you, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm tired of those motherfuckers.
Sorry, man.
Man, those motherfuckers, man. Always there's a motherfucking another Ninja Turtle right next to another motherfucking Ninja Turtle, bro. Bush, bro. When I see a Ninja Turtle, there's a multiple motherfucker in the area, bro. Like, that's mean they're and they're all, oh, let's just go for ninja, bro. Everybody ninja, bro. Man, that's some boosie shit. Do the SMG KSV or something. I think it's a KSV. I think the name is KSV. Chantel, bring out the TV outside so you're not getting watch. Hey, Fetchy. Beer. No, geese. No, this one's well. Auto, yeah. Move. No fast food. Okay, man. Get more on them. Get down. Okay, get down. Daddy turn. I'm sorry. Please give me a time. Huh? Huh? What? Hey, go bring back those for measurements. Where are you then? Oh, you got kicked out, so that's mean we gotta back out and pick you up. You hear me, Pacific?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you got it. Alright, we come back, Atari. Man, depends on their customer. They don't give a fuck about things right now. If their customer buy more Ninja Turtles, those motherfuckers go for Ninja Turtles, bro. So stop buying those clown ass fucking bundles, bro. Just buy the other ones, bro. Later on, the fucking master gonna show up with that skinny mouse.
They have shredded already.
Oh my god, no, bro. Mm-hmm. You see that fucking roadblocks? Oh no, Squid Game fucking girl when she killed me, bro. Yeah, bro, that fucking finishing move that motherfucker. Yeah, that motherfucker pissed me off, bro.
Hey, I'm sorry. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
No, it's like no, it's like 35.
No, for real, man.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Yeah.
Are you 10? Dan, it's really Dan. What the fuck? Well, no, what the? Wow, bro. Oh, bro. I'm sorry. Alright. Hey, no, don't show it, bro. Don't laugh. Ikitin bell na ha. Is a lot. No, let him play with us. I like attack. Atari, you know what my friend say right now? He don't want to bother anybody that gonna say that he's too old to fucking play with you or force you to do. It's kind of like related to pedophile and shit. But come on, man, he enjoy playing with us, bro. He's my follower. He's my follower, and he followed me, and then I just added him, and then we play. Yes. Yeah. So the mom followed me. That's what happened. So I ain't gonna try to tell him to do some stupid shit. All right, chill out. All right. We're just playing Call of Duty, bro.
Alright, let's play.
No, he's my buddy, and we're homies, and we're playing Warzone. Yo, I got a wife, kids, and all that. We have but we ain't got no comparison for pedophile, bro. We ain't got no comparison. No, he good. We're trying to teach him, and we want him to enjoy his time. It's okay. All right, let's go, bro. All right, get a kill. So you chill out, you know. Prove him wrong. Prove him wrong. Actually, prove him wrong. That's what they wanted. Prove them wrong, bro. Hey, one down again. What is that question? I killed him. I'm sorry. I was late. But I killed him. Worry, I killed the one on the hallway, bro. Damn. Yeah, are you sure? Where is he? I'm on your loadout. You can come and grab your guns. It's okay, you're gonna get more. One on the bottom. He's a land here. He's on top. He just landed. Another one. Both of them down. Ah! Yeah, that's what's up. I like that. Atari, come on. Another one on me. He did like a bitch. Oh, sorry. What the hell am I doing, bro? I gotta chill out. He died like a butterfly. Another one coming in. Get out of the window. He's on the water. He's here, y'all. He's here. I got him. Yeah, he's right here. It's two of them. Three. Fuck. 3 up there, bro. No, yeah, that's 3. That's 4. What the freak? The entire squad. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. You guys can do it. Wipe them out. Wipe them out before they come in closer. Look at this stupid ass motherfucker. You stupid fuck. Yes, you fuck. Stay alive.
What?
Okay, it's okay. Oh, it's that top 10? Let me dance, cause I got the kills, you know what I mean? Alright, Golden, you on? Damn! Not playing, bro. That little kid there, yo, bro. That little kid kinda like push you and shit, bro. Atari! Yes, sir. Get ready, we're going. Atari, I want you to use your aiming sensitivity. So on the ADS sensitivity stands, you use 80, and on the bottom one you use 85. Alright, perfect. You're gonna run so smooth when you're used to it. Hey, do you use your graphic on a A4F 120, right? Atari? Use your graphic on your view. You go to A4F and use 120. The first person point of view, you're gonna be like, you know, zoom out so you can run faster. It's gonna look like you run faster, but it's more comfortable. Alright, I'm gonna go 10 something for sure. Man, you been what? Get up, get up. I'm sorry. The way you sit is so sad. I have to kill your record. What it is? Nice. Are you serious? I know what? Man, I got the records a long time ago. I'm talking about real records right now. Like, I go 40 some on the first one if you wanna bring back the oldies. Alright, let's get it. Alright. I gotta eat like 20 or 10 something. Let's go stronghold every time. Let's get it, let's get it. We need everybody, y'all. We need everybody. I ain't tripping. Need to be all together, y'all. Hey guys, how are you? Alright, go on, man. Beat that on the chat. What? Oh yeah. You find a box or something? Yeah, let's just shoot our drones out. One on top of us right now. Another one on stronghold. You can see it on the map. Please look at the map. Yes, the thing. Yeah. Oh shit, both of us died, bro. I should have just... Watch out, watch out. He's looking down on you. Colin. I'm a spawn right next to them, bro. Just too late. Damn. I didn't even get shit. Damn, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? Alright, you see everybody got 0 kills right now, bro. What the hell? Holding. Tyler, where are you? Hello? Hello? Alright. What? Yo, bro, ain't no way. That guy just killed me while I was shooting at him. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Good, dude. Mm.